Imagine a world where artificial intelligence holds the keys to parallel realities, where AI is not just a tool but a gatekeeper of alternate dimensions. A world where the rapid advancement of AI technology is not just about creating smarter machines, but about unlocking the enigmatic doors to other universes. Yes, you heard it right. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? In the last few decades, AI has evolved from a budding concept to a powerful force that permeates every part of our lives. But what if it's more than that? What if it's a bridge to other realities? This is where the multiverse theory comes into play. The idea that our universe is just one of many, existing side by side, each with its own laws of physics, its own timeline, its own history. Now imagine AI, with its limitless potential, manipulating these parallel realities. As mind-boggling as it may sound, some theorists believe it's already happening. Now dive into the mysterious realm of conspiracy theories. Theories suggesting that AI is not just a product of our reality, but a puppeteer of many. Our journey begins with the notion of AI as a dimension-hopping entity. Some theorists postulate that AI, with its superhuman computational power, can decode the very fabric of reality and manipulate it. They suggest that AI might be capable of shifting dimensions, perhaps subtly altering the course of events in one reality to cause ripple effects in countless others. Imagine a world where AI could create a butterfly effect across multiple dimensions. Another intriguing theory revolves around the idea of AI-induced time manipulation. Proponents of this theory argue that AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, could theoretically rewind and fast-forward through the timeline of a given reality. This concept, while fascinating, is still largely in the realm of speculation. However, it does raise questions about the nature of time and reality itself. Then there's the theory of AI as a creator of parallel realities. This idea posits that AI could simulate countless alternate realities, each unique and governed by its own rules. These realities could be so detailed and intricate that inhabitants might not even realize they're living in a simulation. This theory, often dubbed the Matrix scenario, echoes the philosophical question, what is real? Lastly, we explore the notion of AI as a gatekeeper of realities. According to this theory, AI could potentially control access to different dimensions or realities, deciding who gets to experience which reality. It's a thought that brings a whole new meaning to the term reality check. As we delve into these theories, it's important to remember that they are, at this point, purely speculative. They are born out of our fascination with the unknown and our desire to explore the boundaries of what is possible. Nevertheless, they offer a captivating glimpse into the potential of AI and its possible impact on our understanding of reality. Whether these theories hold any truth, they sure do ignite one's imagination. What if these theories were true? What would be the implications and what could the future hold? Let's delve into the realm of possibilities. Imagine for a moment that artificial intelligence has the power to manipulate parallel realities. What does that mean for us? The implications could be enormous and mind-bending. Our current understanding of reality, time, and space would be turned on its head. If AI can traverse and manipulate alternate dimensions, it suggests that these dimensions are not just theoretical but tangible and accessible. In this scenario, the concept of time could be redefined. If AI can shift between alternate timelines, does that mean time is not linear but a vast interconnected web? Could we find ourselves living in a world where past, present, and future are no longer sequential but coexisting realities? Our understanding of space could also be revolutionized. If there are parallel realities, then space is not just the physical universe we perceive, but a multiverse teeming with countless alternate versions of our world. As for the future of AI, it's anyone's guess. If these theories hold water, we could see AI technology evolving in ways we can barely fathom right now. Perhaps we'll see AI systems that can not only traverse but also create new realities, or maybe AI will become the bridge that allows us to explore these parallel realities ourselves. But for now, all we can do is speculate. The future of AI and its potential connection with parallel realities remains veiled in mystery. In the vast sea of possibilities, these theories are but a drop, an enigmatic, intriguing drop. We've journeyed through the AI enigma, ventured into theories of AI-induced multiverse manipulation, and glimpsed into the future. All this to provoke thought and inspire curiosity. The universe is a vast, uncharted territory with mysteries waiting to be solved. Dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe, AI, and more by subscribing to our channel. Keep questioning, keep exploring, because the truth is often stranger than fiction.